I knew all there was to know in Tucson, but I didn't know all there was to know in San Diego. And I was big fish in little pond. I was this hotshot kid, Well, I got there, and I had this news director who is now anchoring at KCBS in Los Angeles. His name is Harold Green. Harold is exceedingly talented, but has a very short fuse. We had these big, called Olympia typewriters, because they write in big script so that you can see the type easier, and they're big, hefty, manual typewriters. Well, I would be writing for Harold, and then he proofread every copy if he didn't like it, he picked up this typewriter and threw it at you. Well, it didn't take real long to figure out what he liked and didn't like,
Let him work it out. It's between the two of them.